Hello everybody, it's Sassy and we are here in front of Hombres Lounge. It's snowing in New York City. We just filmed our Monday Nights Are a Bitch, which we film every Monday night right here at Hombres Lounge on 37th Avenue and 86th Street. It's freezing cold in New York. It's snowing like crazy and we just had to bring this to you. I am here, of course, with my co-host for Monday Nights Are a Bitch, Samara Riviera.
Hello you guys, Samara Riviera here with Monday Nights Are a Bitch every Monday night at 10 p.m. live. Don't forget, starting next Monday, actually starting in 2 Mondays, we're going to be on at the same time as RuPaul's Drag Race. So the competition is on. Who's going to get more viewers? Who's going to be more bitchy? Who's going to be more draggy? Find out for our next show, which will be January 31st with our special guest, Miss Dina Delicious. And then we have Sandy Michelle coming up in February as a special guest. Laverne Cox will be joining us. Lila Lansing. These are singers, performers in New York City. And we have a lot more special guests. We're going to bring you some gay boys too. Some hot, sexy, cute, gorgeous boys. Maybe for Valentine's, as a Valentine's present from Monday Nights Are a Bitch. I'll be going to California because look at this freaking snowstorm. Oh my god. I can't wait to get to California. So I'll be there next week. So there is no Monday Nights Are a Bitch next Monday, January 24th, I believe. So we'll be back the 31st. So see you guys then. Monday Nights Are a Bitch. Let's say bye, Sassy.
Goodbye from freezing cold New York.
Stay warm, people in New York, and we'll see you in California. You lucky bitches in California.